Okay, so good evening. So in this video, I'll show you how to shorten your link. I'll show you how to copy an affiliate link for a product, how to shorten your link, and how to view your sales page. So let's dive right in. The first thing I want to do is I want to come to prompt N. I want to come to prompt N. So let's go to a new browser. Let's type prompt N. Now, prompt N is an affiliate network. So depending is an affiliate network, right, that we are using for this particular business. So the first thing we want to do is to log in. So I'm going to log into my training account. Remember, this is not my main affiliate account. This is just my training account. So this account, there is nothing here because it's strictly for training purposes. So I'll come to marketplace. Remember, marketplace is where different products are listed. So depending on your niche, you now select. Remember, what we are our niche is make money online. So and this is one of the products in the make money online that teaches you how to make money online. So click on promote. Once you click on promote, it opens the the details of the product, right? Where you have seller name, the amount, the commission payable, copy affiliate link. So all we need to do is just to click on copy and it copies to clickpad. And we come to tiny URL. Okay, let's just go to tiny URL. You type in tiny URL and you click send. Now, if we go to WhatsApp and paste the link we copied, you can see how this link is looking, right? You can see how this link is looking. Let me annotate so you can see it. Let me annotate so you can see it. Okay, so this is the link that we copied. This is the link we copied. You can see it. You can see the link that we copied, right? So what we want to do now is that we want to go to tiny URL and shorten the link. So we'll come to this place that says long link. We come to this place that says long link. This place that says long link, and we paste our link, the link that we copied. We paste it. Then we'll come to this place that says shorten link, shorten link, shorten link, shorten link. We'll come to this place and we'll say shorten link. Wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. Let's wait for it to load up. I don't want to. I don't want to. An error occurred. Okay, let me pause. All right, so we have shortened our link. Right, we have shortened our link. This is what our new link. This is what our new link looks like. This is what our new link now looks like. So we'll just come to this copy and we'll copy it. We'll copy it and we'll go back to our WhatsApp and then we'll paste it. And then we'll paste it. Now, can you see the difference between the first link? Can you see the difference between this is the first link and this is the second link? You can see the difference, right? So that is how to copy your affiliate link. Then to view your sales page, all you need to do, this link that you've copied, just click on it and it takes you to your browser. It takes you to the same link that you copied, right? It takes you to the same link that you copied. So this is what your This is your sales page. This is what your sales page is. And this is you scrolling and looking at it, is you viewing it. So for each product that you want to promote, you're expected to view your sales page, study the sales page so you understand what the product is all about before you share that link with a prospect. I hope this video clarifies.